Hi, my name is Eliana, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets. In this document, I'm managing all the expenses that my husband and I have in our home. We're currently living in Colombia. For that reason, we're using both currencies, US dollars and Colombian pesos. And here I created this formula that converts US dollars amounts into Colombian pesos. The formula says C2. It means that in this case it takes into account information on the C2 cell multiplied by 3,105 because $1 equals 3,105 Colombian pesos. So for example, let's say that instead of $240 it was 260. As you see, the formula changes automatically here and changes the value into Colombian pesos. The other thing that I want to show you is this board on the right that is about categories. These are the same ones that I have here, but the difference is that on the right I have the information of each of them, of the expenses of each of them individually. For example, I can see here how much money we have spent this month on taxes, how much money we have spent on insurance, and so on. I'm gonna do a more specific example with this category that is food and fun. As you see, I have other formula here that says EE I15CC. It means that it takes information that is on the E column that matches with the I15 cell, that in this case, remember that is food and fun. And finally, it takes the values that are on the C column but also matches with the I15 cell. That in this case, for example, is 16 with 10 and 9, 66. Because again, these are the ones that matches with the food and fun category. And what the formula does is that it sums it up in here. So in that way I can see that in total this is the amount that we have spent on food and fun so far this month. The last thing that I want to show you is this pie chart I created. The way it works is that I use this formula that says I2, I23. Let me show you here. So it means that it takes the information that is from the I2 to the I23 cells, all these column, and also it takes into account the information that is in the J column in all of these. So it puts both of these together, sums it up horizontally, and it tells me in the chart how much money I've spent on each category, and it gives me a percentage of it. For example, in this case, it tells me that we have spent $253 with $60 on insurance this month. It means that an 11.8% of our expenses this month went to paying insurance. And it does the same, giving me the same type of information with each category. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that this was helpful for you.